And anyone who says that airbags are shit can get stuffed. Jordan here from Court Coasting. Welcome to another episode of the Canopy Setup series. Today we're not looking so much at the canopy itself, but more at the suspension that I've got underneath the setup. Now, I know this is a bit of a contentious one, and I'm just going to share my experience on using airbags. If you're not familiar with airbags, basically they are not a lift kit, they are a leveling kit. All I'm doing is when I've got a bunch of weight in the back, there are these little bags that sit within the coils at the rear of my Navara. They inflate, and that brings me back up to where my original ride height was. When I take the setup out, I just deflate it and it goes back to that original softer suspension. And anyone who says that airbags are shit can get stuffed. Lift kits definitely have a time and place, and for me, in my personal situation, I didn't want a permanently decided ride height or firmness. My setup is dynamic, my suspension needs to be dynamic too. If I was to put firmer coils in the back, it would not be a comfortable ride when I pulled the setup out and then have an empty tub. It would have just been bouncy and uncomfortable. If I kept the original suspension and didn't put airbags, when the setup is in there, it sagged and would hit the bump stops. And that's also something I didn't want to do, because then it's putting extra pressure on the chassis when it doesn't need it. And I found personally that airbags gave me the best of both worlds when I wanted my setup in or my setup out. My favorite complaint about having the airbags is good luck when your chassis bends. And it's just nonsense. Chassis don't bend just because of airbags. Chassis bend because of improper load management within the tub. I'll put my hand up straight away and say tubs are poorly designed. You've got a rear axle that is not in the middle of the tub, so anything behind the rear axle is going to be placing strain on your setup. Now, I have got a setup, I tow, I've used the airbags while with the setup and towing, and it can do the job, and it does the job well, while also giving you a nice comfortable ride. Chassis only bend because of improper weight management. Airbags aren't to blame for chassis bending. They just amplify what's going on. Overloading the rig beyond the rear axle is always going to end up causing more dramas, airbags or no airbags. I know if I keep the setup within its weight limits and manage the weight inside the tub properly, I can tow and have airbags and have a comfortable ride and not have to worry about any of the chassis bending and all that. If you're keen on making sure your setup's under control in the weight department, check out the link below. It's got a bunch of diagrams and resources to help manage your load, keep the setup even, and ultimately keep you cruising down the coast without worrying about a bending chassis. The icing on the cake for me with airbags was just how easy they were to install and then to use. So install took me an afternoon, whack them inside the coils and then pump them up. And adjusting my ride level is just as easy, because I just inflate when the setup's in and deflate if I take it out. And then that way my suspension is always nice and comfy, and I never have to worry about having a bouncy or uncomfortable ride. So that pretty much wraps up my thoughts on airbags and how I run suspension in my setup. If you've got any questions, let me know. I'm always happy to help. If not, I will catch you out there in supreme riding comfort.